Hey guys, I'm out in the greenhouse today and I thought I'd just give you a greenhouse update because it is looking pretty awesome and I'm just excited. So let me show you what we've got going on here in the greenhouse. The moringa is starting to turn green. So we have moringa coming out over here. I mean, look at this. It's all green everywhere, but look. These are my patio tomatoes. Look at this. Aren't they just awesome? And then there's plenty of little blooms all up in the top. So, tomatoes soon, I hope. All these peppers that Danny has, look at the blooms. These he planted from seed. Blooms on all of them. These are the red candy onions. He's been planting these in the garden. And I don't know how many we've got in the garden, probably 100 or two already, and he's still got plenty more to go. And these are the tomatoes he planted from seed. We have some yellow pear tomatoes, and we have some of the blue from the indigo series. So look at these. These things are always prolific. They grow and produce abundantly. And we have all kinds of blooms on them. And we've been coming in shaking them, hoping for some pollination. So this one I think is the yellow pear. This one is the blue indigo, or vice versa. I'm not 100% sure. But look at it. All kinds of blooms, and they've been pollinated. I mean, look. They're growing to the top. They love it. I've got here, I've got our moringa going. We've got some in the back. Look at these peppers. They're just huge, and Danny won't let me pick them. He wants them for seed, so they've got to turn. Look at these. Look in here. All these are turning. So he'll be able to get these for seed before long. Look at this. They're awesome. Some over there. They'll be turning before long. We have our aloe veras hanging in there. Bell peppers. Our big pineapple that we brought in here. So we've got more pineapples in the back. Guys, the greenhouse is doing pretty awesome. We've not had any extreme cold weather. It is around 60, looks like around, 68 degrees in here right now. It's going to cool down tonight. But, hey, that's a greenhouse update. Pretty awesome here at Deep South Homestead. Thank you, guys. These are the corral peppers. This is January the 2nd, and Danny just picked a couple of days ago, picked a handful of bell peppers off of these. They're still blooming. They still have little peppers on them. He's still babying them. Still a pepper over here. He's still just keeping on with these. They're still doing pretty good.